You must have heard the names of Jack Ma, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, and Jeff Bezos. But have you ever heard why only some people have been successful? And why weren't you able to do that? What is the formula for success that they know, but we do not? In this search, first of all, let us look at a survey. According to it, only 20% people become successful in the world, set clear goals for themselves. You can understand its meaning that the rest of 80% people throughout their life, they do not set any clear target or long-term goal. So success comes after this. But the problem is that of the 20% of people who set clear targets for themselves, only 6% of them are able to be successful. Now you must be thinking why it happens. Definitely there are some things that these successful people do and the rest do not, or maybe they are unable to do that. But there is nothing to worry about. Our research regarding this has found out the secret, and we will be sharing this secret with you today. Let's move to the first step to success and set a target for ourselves. For example, in the next 3 years, I want to see myself as the owner of a profitable company consisting of 20 people. Now let us share the rules that are important to adopt in order to be successful. The first rule that was common in all successful people is that in order to make this world better, they brought a new idea or model for people. Jack Ma of Alibaba.com or Walt Disney of Disneyland. They brought innovation in their work and helped to make the world better. Alibaba Group was a very innovative idea that brought the business of the world to China's market. Similarly, who doesn't know Walt Disney? From the beginning of the 19th century, he started his career as a cartoonist. At that time, creating a company that made cartoons could only be called madness. But he did not worry about any obstacle or criticism and worked hard in his field of interest and expertise. He created cartoons such as Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck and made cartoon films on numerous fairy tales, which got great fame. Jeff Bezos' Amazon and Elon Musk's Tesla cars have completely changed the world. Definitely, their success has led our life and thinking in a new era. Before learning the second rule for success, remember that it is easy to know it, but it is not possible for everyone to apply it. However, if you really want to do something in life, then nothing should be impossible for you. Jack Ma says that if you fail at something but you do not accept defeat, then you have another chance. To accept defeat is the biggest failure. He also says that during our efforts for success, we should be hopeful and we should keep trying new things. In this world, there must be something in which you can be the most successful, and you can fulfill your dreams. The failures in the journey of Jack Ma's success can be a great motivation for us. Among them, to be rejected from Harvard University for 10 times is the most notable. In this failure, something notable is that despite being rejected so many times, he did not lose hope and kept applying to get a job. He faced many problems too. Every time, he was the only candidate to be rejected, and although the idea to create Alibaba was a perfect and novel idea, it did not happen suddenly. Jack Ma kept trying and kept learning different skills, which enabled him to make an international platform and run it. Similarly, Ambani of Reliance Industries of India, with continuous effort and smart choices, brought the business forward and joined new business with it. Third rule for success: we know it and also follow it to some extent. But the problem is that to remember a rule and to follow it does not grant complete success. We need to follow all these rules. Let's move forward and apply it. This rule is to work hard and never get tired. We can see that all of these people, to be successful, worked very hard and did not give up. If we look at the efforts and hard work of Steve Jobs, the owner of Apple Company, we can better understand his success. Steve Jobs faced many challenges in his life. Parents' detachment, fighting cancer, and being fired from the company he made himself are included in it. However, Jobs overcame these challenges and led the world to a new era of technology. You will be surprised to know that this company consists of more than 4,000 workers, and $2 billion began with 2 people in a garage. Similarly, if we take a look at the life of the famous scientist and wealthy man of today, Elon Musk, we know that he also worked tirelessly and reached this point, and after this success, he works at least 16 hours and spends much of his time in his engineering projects and innovative designs. The 4th rule of success is that we get to know from the routine of Elon Musk that our skills and knowledge should always increase. Elon Musk, after this success too, in his weekly schedule, spends most of his time in this work and keeps increasing his knowledge. Actually, obtaining new knowledge plays an important role in his new ideas and reaching new heights. Similarly, in other successful people too, we can see that they expanded their skills according to the demands of time and made their businesses better. Pakistani businessman Khalid Awan, who, in 1983, started a courier company, TCS. And this service is Pakistan's most successful and trustworthy courier service. He has continuously worked to make the company better, which is why it has reached this point. With years of hard work, he has expanded TCS to the Middle East, England, and Canada. And in this era of e-commerce by the name of Yavo.com, he has been successful in spreading his company. In our research, the 5th and last rule which we got to know from these people is very important. In their journey to success, they did not only think about themselves, but thought about people around themselves, thought about bringing a change in the society, and tried hard for it, made a team of the best people, and kept strong relations with them. If you follow these 5 golden rules for success and think about making the lives of the people better and find newer solutions to the problems around us, make efforts continuously by not giving up, then success will definitely be there. But why stop at just one video? Join our ever-growing community of curious minds by subscribing today. And the best part, it's absolutely free.